So I've been to many boat shows all around the world, and this particular boat show has grown tremendously in size, and there's huge potential in this boat show, and we've been very happy with the clients that we've been speaking with.
For MTU, the Singapore Yacht Show is a very good showcase for what we can offer here in this region. The show has been growing every year. We believe it's the strongest show here in Asia. We're very happy to be a part of it, and we hope to see it grow over the next years.
The Singapore Yacht Show is big, dynamic and vibrant, and a real credit to the organisers.
The Singapore Yacht Show for Fraser Yacht, it's first of all very good experience, and I believe that we all have very good feeling, all our colleagues, and we hope to come back.